Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Indrayani. Today, I've got some super handy tips on how to use Canva. So, how to use free Canva for digital marketing. Tips and tricks to stand out without paying. 1. Create a brand kit, even without Pro. 2. Use pre-made templates. 3. Design engaging stories and reels thumbnails. 4. Repurpose content. 5. Free elements and photos. 6. Schedule content, manual hack. 7. Create brand presentations. 8. Use charts and graphs for stats. 9. Video tools, free. 10. Save and write format. 1. Create a brand kit, even without Pro. Use consistent colors, fonts, and logos across all posts. Save your custom colors in your recent palette for easy access. Pro tip: use the same font family, like Montserrat or Open Sans, to keep your posts visually unified. 2. Use pre-made templates. Start with Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn post templates. Add dirty, customize text, colors, and images to match your brand. Save time and maintain a professional look. Pro tip: filter templates by free to avoid locked Pro options. 3. Design engaging stories and reels thumbnails. Use Canva's vertical templates, 1080 by 1920 pixels for reels and stories. Add bold text, emojis, and GIF style elements to grab attention. 4th, repurpose content. Turn a blog post into a carousel. Convert a testimonial into a quote graphic. Make video scripts from infographics or vice versa. Pro tip: use duplicate page to create multiple slides with consistent style. 5. Free elements and photos. Use free stock photos, icons, and stickers. Search terms like digital marketing, office, or laptop for relevant visuals. Pro tip: combine frames with photos for dynamic effects, like putting a photo inside a phone mockup. 6. Schedule content, manual hack. Use Canva to plan your grid layout. Save posts with file names like 01 Monday post, 02 Wednesday reel for weekly content. Bonus: connect to tools like Buffer or Meta Business Suite for scheduling. 7. Create brand presentations. Use Canva to make simple client pitch decks, service overviews, or Instagram highlights. 8. Use charts and graphs for stats. Promote your case studies or marketing results with free graph tools in Canva. 9. Video tools, free. Use animated text, transitions, and stock videos for Seki, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. 10. Save and write format. PNG for posts, MP4C for videos, PDF for documents. Use transparent background, free with PNG if no elements are overlapping.